Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable Double Tap Lock right now. Open Settings and go to Accessibility, then Touch. This gives access to Back Tap. Once there, tap Back Tap and pick Double Tap so you can assign an action. Make sure your phone case isn't too thick, because Back Tap relies on physical taps detected through the chassis. Finally, scroll the Actions list and find Lock Screen. Select it so the double tap will trigger screen locking immediately. Now that Back Tap is active, assign the lock screen action to Double Tap. Open the Double Tap menu and scroll through the System and Accessibility actions until you see Lock Screen. Tap it to assign. Once assigned, test it with a couple of light, controlled back taps while holding the phone as you normally would. If it doesn't register, try repositioning your grip and tap a bit firmer. Small adjustments often fix detection without changing any settings. Finish by performing several real-world tests. Quick double taps during regular use to confirm consistent locking. Once done, make sure the setting persists by revisiting Back Tap and confirming lock screen remains selected. If taps sometimes fail, try removing or swapping your case and practice a slightly firmer tap. Back Tap sensitivity varies by model. If problems continue, restart your iPhone and toggle Back Tap off and on. This often resolves glitches and gets Double Tap locking working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.